If you're struggling with hair loss or feeling like your hair has become dull, brittle and lifeless, you're not alone. Most people believe that beautiful hair comes from what you apply on it, but in Ayurveda, beautiful hair starts from within. In fact, there's an ancient principle in Ayurveda that directly explains how your hair is connected to the health of your inner tissues. In this video, I show you exactly what that means and how to support that naturally. I also share an ancient drink recipe taught by the renowned Ayurvedic doctor Vasant Lad that works from the inside out to nourish your hair, calm your nervous system and restore natural shine. We'll cover the ingredients, their powerful benefits, and I show you exactly how to make this at home. And trust me, this remedy has been used for centuries to bring your hair back to life. Let's get into it. Hi, I'm Shanta from Cosmetic Nerd. Great to have you on my channel. So let's take a look what's inside this nourishing Ayurvedic hair drink. First of all, there's Dashamula, a classic Ayurvedic formula that's made from 10 medicinal roots. It balances Vata, strengthens your entire system and supports healthy tissue formation. Second, there's Bhringaraj, known as the king of hair in Ayurveda. It stimulates hair growth, prevents premature graying and reduces hair fall. Then next there's Jatamansi, a calming, rejuvenating herb that soothes the mind and the entire nervous system. Stress is a major trigger of hair loss. Then we use goat milk, which is rich in protein, calcium and nourishing fatty acids. It's easy to digest and deeply nourishing for your body's tissues. These are the ingredients of the original recipe by Vasant Lad. I customized that a little bit to my needs, and in my customized recipe we also add a pinch of nutmeg and cinnamon. This improves blood circulation and adds general warmth. And finally I add a teaspoon of honey once it's cooled a little bit for natural sweetness and digestive support. Now, why this combination? Because it doesn't just treat the hair you see, it nourishes the inner systems that create healthy hair in the first place. It improves blood circulation to the scalp and nourishes hair follicles from within. It calms the mind and nervous system, easing stress-related hair loss. It also supports better sleep, digestion and hormonal balance. Especially women know that in our natural cycle we're riding the dragon, right? And it also helps to strengthen the tissues that are responsible for strong, lustrous hair. So now here's how to prepare it. Combine 5 parts Dashamula with 4 parts of Bhringaraj and add 3 parts of Jatamansi. That's the original recipe from Vasant Lad. Cook them gently in organic goat milk for about 5 minutes and then lower the heat. Once slightly cooled, stir in a pinch of nutmeg, a pinch of cinnamon and a teaspoon of honey. Drink it warm, ideally in the evening or just before bedtime for added calming benefits. That's my ritual for at least 2 evenings in the week, and it's so relaxing and calming down. As promised, let's talk about the Ayurvedic principle I was mentioning earlier. In Ayurveda, our body is made from 7 tissue layers called the Dhatus. Hair is considered a byproduct of Asthi Dhatu. This tissue is responsible for your bones, teeth, hair and nails. When your Asthi Dhatu is depleted or imbalanced, your hair naturally becomes weak, brittle and prone to falling out. That's why internal nourishments like this hair drink is so much more powerful than solely relying on external treatments. It strengthens your whole system from the inside out, supporting the very foundation of healthy hair. Now you've learned the wonderful benefits of Dashamula, Bhringaraj and Jatamansi for your hair and overall well-being. You now know exactly how to prepare this drink at home, based on the proven recipe by Vasant Lad, and if you also want my personal customizations. And you've understood why nourishing your Asthi Dhatu from within is far more precious and powerful than applying various commercial products in hopes of keeping it healthy. If you found that helpful, please let me know in the comments. Like, share and subscribe if you get value from my content. So thanks for watching. It was great to hang out with you. Stay radiant, stay nourished, and see you in the next video on Cosmetic Nerd. Bye.